Hey everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Love for Cardboard. It's the Cardboard Man Matt here. So, just to recap where we're at right now on our model cardboard house in the Lizzie Borden house. I went ahead and I started doing a little bit of extra work. I was able to finish wallpapering all of the interior portions of the exterior walls of the house. As you can see right down here, this is all done. Right there. Okay. And I've also got a section of the house standing as of yesterday. So if you want to look right down here, okay, there it is. It's standing. And then if I turn it, you can kind of see that we have some interior rooms going on here. Okay. And now I turn it again here. And kind of look up there and see the rest of the house. So this room that you're currently in right here is where the turn staircase is going to be that goes up to the second floor. It's going to be a real challenge to work on. But right now, I'm actually going to be fixing another exterior wall onto the house, if you'd like to see that right now. This is it right here that I'm going to be working with. Right now it's freestanding, you know, I mean, with obviously the help of some other things there, but that is going to be put on right now, so I'm going to set this down here. I like to work on the floor. Got my trusty glue gun here. So there's that. And let me try and turn it this way. There we are. Okay, there we go. We'll put the glue gun there. And get that out of the way. So I need to turn this in such a way that you're going to be able to see how it goes. Okay, so I'm going to get right here and move the camera. There we are, right this way. Okay, maybe a little bit more right there. Let's try that. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to locate, which side is going to connect to the house. And I'm going to create a nice beaded glue line right up here. Nice big old bead of hot glue. And you want it to be real generous since this is going to be part of the backbone of the house, keeping it nice and sturdy. And now I'm going to put this right back here. And I'm going to bring this over so that you can kind of see what I'm doing. And now watch. I'm taking this and I'm going to be joining both ends together until they just meet like that. Okay? So you got a nice meeting point. And you just want those edges to kind of kiss each other really well. Just like that. Now, the seams really don't matter at this point because they're going to be covered up with some like decorative corner work. So, but what really matters right now is making sure that everything sticks together. Okay? So that's it right there. I'll get those little excess pieces of glue off there. There we go. And I'm also going to run another bead line straight down here, right down the side, okay, for added strength. It's very important, because basically I want this house to be strong enough so that if by chance, you know, you were walking around in your house and you happen to bump it, you know, it's not going to come falling apart on you. So, all right. There we are. Okay. Just want to hold that real good right there. And then get that end right there real good. Kind of squeezing the ends into each other. You can even hold part of the trim too while you do that. That part doesn't matter. But you just want to make sure that everything is in there really good, and you just want to count for a few seconds and just kind of hold it. There we are. Okay, that'll do. So, we got the front of the house right here. And then we come right around here to the side. This is my favorite part. When I bring this here, you can see how big this house is going to be. With all those windows for all the different rooms in the house. Yeah. So, anyway, that's it for right now. I'm going to begin working on the trimming up of the other side of the house. So, I'm going to set that right there. Get this out of the way for a minute or two. And here we go. Okay. There we are. Try and make sure that this area is clean of any debris. And what I'm working with right now is the other side of the house. That won't go on until I've done all the first floor interior work. So, because I need to be able to get my hands in there without having anything in the way. So, cardboard. I'm going to start cutting just to kind of eyeball here to see how thick we want that trim to be. You just make your cuts. Got a nice piece right there. Just kind of trim off the edges, you know, because there's some little fuzzy, crinky-dink things on there that we don't want. Take that off, get a nice smooth edge. Gonna take your cardboard, you're gonna line it up right with the wall, with the window, just like that. You able to see that? What's going on? Oh, you're pointing at the ceiling. All right, just like that. And then with your pencil, you're going to make a little line right across. Like that, you see the line? And then you're going to make your cut right there. It's your little piece of trim. Get the hot glue right there. Make a nice mark with the glue. And then you're going to just kind of offset that trim just enough so that you have the painted window. It just kind of shows right through just like that. Okay? And we can do the rest of it. Again, line it up. Make your mark at the bottom right where you want it to be. Make your cut. Nice piece. Hot glue. Put your other piece of trim right on right where it's supposed to be. Okay. You can always take your finger and push it down just a little bit more if you need to. There it is. Already did that one. You know, I'd actually film a wallpaper application if I could, but it's very hard to do when you're trying to hold the camera and show you guys how that's done. Same for the top. You're just going to match up both sides. Make your cut. A little bit of hot glue. There it is. Take your piece, set it, make sure that both sides look pretty even. Done. There's that. Time to get the windowsill lit. Find another piece of cardboard that's already been cut. Nice and thin. Let me double check. Looks good. Same thing. This time you want it just to go a little bit wider or outside of the trim. You're going to take the edge and go straight down the edge. And now you're going to take it, you're just going to carefully set it. There you go. And then finally, the bottom. Same thing. Piece of cardboard. Matches up pretty good. Take it. Now at this time you're going to match it up with the sides of the trim. Make your line. Cut. Hot glue. That nice bead there. Press it into place. There you go. 2 windows. Now I got to do the rest of the house, and I will be back with you in the next video.